And it's Bonnie. Happy Monday. I am back. I got pumpkin cupcake burning from Bath and Body Works. And I got I got a Christmas haul. So this is exciting. I want to review pumpkin cupcake, and I also want to talk about fall candles that are starting to sell out. So I've got pumpkin cupcake burning. By the way, I love the pink wax in this one. It's a powerhouse. Did pumpkin cupcake get stronger this year? Because I feel like this one is really strong, but it is now sold out online. So a lot of people, throughout my years of doing this have asked me, do fall candles sell out? And actually they do. They do start to sell out. And especially, people are like, are they available for semi-annual sale in, December? A lot of times they're not. Fall is very popular, and you're going to start seeing fall sell out and Christmas move in. So if you want your fall candles, I would get them now. So speaking of Christmas candles, this was my $13.95 haul. So I'm going to haul these out of my box. And then I'm going to do a pumpkin cupcake review, even though it is sold out, because it's like one of my favorites. So 4 candles in here. And then I also got Luminous in the mini spray. So this is supposedly coming. I actually really like it. I like Luminous. I'm not sure when the floor set's going to be here, but I love the packaging. I love the scent. I think this is going to be like super popular for Christmas. They're also redesigning Pure Wonder, the packaging. So that's something else. I have seen it on Instagram. It's pretty. I mean, I like it, but another kind of repackage, kind of like In the Stars. So first up, check it out. I have 2 pistachio vanilla candles, which I am totally okay with. Oh my gosh. I gotta say, I do like this one. I like anything with pistachio in it. Salted pistachio, toasted vanilla almonds. Yeah, that's a good one for Christmas. Next up, we have... This is the Birchwood Orchard in the pink. I like this one a lot. I smelled this in the store. White birch trees, fresh apples, and a hint of clove. I wasn't sure I'd like birch trees. I really like this one. I mean, this one got a little hint of fall going on, but then it's got like this woodsy note. I like anything with clove. I think there's a little bit more than a hint of clove in here. This one smells pretty clovey, but it mixes well with the other stuff. I like that one. I think that's actually a good fall candle, even though it's kind of in the Christmas collection. Next up, check it out. I now have 2 of the, what is this one called? Spiced Citrus Grove. Someone said this was a repackage of the cinnamon clove. I don't remember that one last year, you guys. This one, I don't know. I love this one. I gotta say, I love it, I love it, I love it. Let me know if that was a repackage. And then the final one I got, I think is the green one. Let me see here. Winter Pear Forest. I like the green. I don't love the scent. Wintergreen leaves, snowy pears, and a hint of cypress. I don't like wintergreen though. This is a little too much for me. So I'm not crazy about this one, but I love the other 2. This one smells so good. This one just smells so rich and wonderful. Birchwood Orchard. Oh my gosh. So that was my haul. I'm super excited. I'm like building my Christmas collection up. But of course it is still fall. We gotta get back to Halloween too. Oh my gosh. So much going on for Halloween. But I wanted to talk about pumpkin cupcake today. I love this one. This has the Madagascar vanilla. Let me do the scent notes. I've actually been enjoying this one all afternoon. I love it. I did photograph the bottom, so I would get the scent notes, so I wouldn't have to lift it over my head. It is whipped buttercream, Madagascar vanilla, pumpkin spice, and freshly baked cupcake. What we are missing this year is the pumpkin cupcake in the body care. We have it in the soap. The soap is the Easter looking one. This is Forever Autumn. I'm like, but it's actually pumpkin cupcake. The soap is wonderful. So both the soap and the candle and the body care. The body care is a little on the light side, but you get this really nice pumpkin spice, but it's not too heavy on the like heavy pumpkin spices. It's like this creamy, delicious pumpkin spice mixed with the cupcake and the buttercream. So I would say like the buttercream and the cupcake are like the base of this. And then they sprinkle in a couple of like the pumpkin spices, but there's no latte in this one. So a lot of people, they don't like pumpkin spice latte, which I kind of understand. So if you just want pure on beautiful vanilla with the pumpkin spice, you're going to want to get this one. And this one is a powerhouse. Oh my gosh. I was shocked. I had it setting over on my makeup table, which is sitting about maybe 3 feet away from me. And I'm like, oh my goodness. And then, people are walking in my office here and everyone's like, that smells really strong. It's wafting into the other room. So yeah, pumpkin cupcakes are a really good one this year. It's super strong. And it is sold out online, which is not surprising. They also have it in the car fragrance refill. But, if you're a pumpkin cupcake fan, I suggest going into the store the next candle sale and seeing if this one is available, because like I said, I'm not seeing it. Let me look at some of the other candles here. Let me see. Why can't I get to all candles? The site has been acting up. By the way, we got this laundry thing to talk about too. I think I'm going to order one and then see. Yeah, there's 105 candles online right now. I think I might order one of the laundry things and just try it out. I've been wanting to review that for you guys. Yeah, pumpkin apple still available, but pumpkin cupcake must be really hot this year because I'm definitely not seeing it. Fall is starting to, sell out. And we're going to see that more and more. So anyway, let me know what you think of this one. I'm going to enjoy this for a while. I will see you guys later. Bye-bye.